Acha, let me give you this one. There was so much confusion for this sari. 3 or 4 of my friends have asked for this sari, and there was so much confusion, and nobody took it. So I think I will show you again. মানে এত কনফিউশন হয়ে গেল, কেউ বলছে আমাকে দিন আগে, I will this thing, I will advance it, and then I waited for her. She became a little late. So next one, they told that maybe it was gone, that is why we didn't send the money. So I'm giving you again the display of this sari. It's a very smart piece, very smart, rich looking one. এটার ভীষণ ডিমান্ড হয়েছিল, 3-4 জন এমন তখন হুড়োহুড়ি করাতে, সো এক্সাইটমেন্টে কেউই নিতে পারলো না। লুক এট দিস, so classic. Try out this horizontal this thing, lines. These are the Rajakiya ones from Greenhouse. They're really good ones from Greenhouse. And here's this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, which is costing 15,885.